Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save hashtags on TikTok. So for instance, I'm just going to press see more on this caption, and then for instance, I want to save the hashtag art. So I'm just going to select the hashtag art, and then I'm just going to press add to favorites to favorite the hashtag. So press add to favorites, and then to find that hashtag, you're just going to go to profile. So select the profile page and go to your favorites, go and find hashtags, and as you can see, the hashtag has been favorited. And if you want to use the hashtag on your video, you're just going to select join this hashtag. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!